fish balls. They're cheap, they're easy, they're delicious. Everyone knows what they are, but most people, they buy them from frozen. Today I'm going to show you, with the help of my beautiful wife, exactly how to make fish balls from scratch. That's the way they're supposed to be made. Simple ingredients, raw fish and dipping sauce that combines it together and makes it absolutely delicious. For today's video of traditional fish balls, you're going to need, surprise surprise, fish. We're going to go with mackerel fish because we can't get hold of the tilapia or the galangong, but you can use whatever fish is available as long as it's a fresh. And then once you've got your fish sorted out, you need garlic. We're going to go with 3 cloves of garlic. The recipe says 2, but we're actually going to go with 3 because we love garlic. And then you need cornstarch. This combines the fish together and gives it that crispy, delicious flavour that we all know and love. And you need water. Always have water ready. And then you have black pepper for taste. Again, with the black pepper, it's optional. You can use as much or as little as you want. And we have the egg to bind it together. Again, the recipe does say just use the egg white, but we like egg, so we're going to use the whole product. This is where the fun starts. Firstly, you need to finely mince the fish or blitz it in a food processor if you've got one. If you haven't got one, that's absolutely fine. You can use your hands as long as it's minced up, and it should be smooth, almost like a thick paste. Now that it's been minced, you add the garlic, you add the cornstarch or the egg, whatever way you want to do it first. It all goes in one thing, so that's fine. And then the water goes in. That's to keep it from getting too dry. And then one thing we forgot to mention, it's up to you. You can add some sugar to make it nice and sweet because, well, that's what the traditional fish balls is like, isn't it? Well guys, now that all the ingredients is mixed together, you give it one final blast in the food processor, or mix it together again with your hands, and then it's ready to cook. It's been in the processor, all the ingredients have been mixed together thoroughly. It's all coming together. Don't worry if it's not perfect. The important thing is the mixture, it holds together. With wet hands, using water, or in our case we're using oil, you can shape it into small balls with wet hands and 2 spoons. Again, don't worry about the shape too much. As long as it's holding together, that's the key thing. You place the balls in simmering water, let it boil gently, but not to the point where it's actually boiled all the way through. You want it to float, and once they float, you can leave it for 30 seconds, let them drain. That's when the shape starts to set, and then the texture and the flavour comes through when you eat it. As you can see, it's simmering away gently. Don't boil it, you want it firm but not burnt. Once it's floating, put them to the side for 30 seconds, let them drain, and this helps the texture and shape. Alright guys, as you can see, it's been boiled, it's been shaped. There's only one thing left to do, and that is to fry them. Heat oil to medium high, fry until golden brown. They puff slightly, and then they get a light crisp on the outside. The perfect texture is soft on the inside, slight chew, but not rubbery. And when we make the sauce, it will cling to the fish ball, the garlic will come through, and that's exactly how it should be. Well guys, it's ready to serve. Golden brown, firm and delicious. To make the sauce for the fish balls, you need, in a pot, you're going to need water, you're going to need brown sugar, garlic, soy sauce and vinegar. We're using white vinegar, but of course you can use whatever vinegar suits your taste. This is our sweet and spicy sauce. It's very simple to make. All you do is you get the ingredients, combine them all together in one pot or saucepan, and you mix it all together. And then with the chilies, that's an optional extra that you can put in, depending on how spicy. We like it sweet, we like it savoury, we like it with a little bit of kick, bit of flavour. And so you just combine the ingredients, and if you want it a little bit more thick, you can add some cornstarch. Again, it's very much up to your preference. We like it with cornstarch because it makes it more thick, but again, it's up to you. Well, this is how we like our sauce. It's quite thick, it's quite delicious, smells amazing, and yeah, so all the bits are there. It's now ready to eat. There you go guys, traditional homemade fish balls. It's been cooked perfectly by my beautiful wife. My involvement was minimal as usual. Let's try it, shall we? The texture is perfect.
Yeah.
You can see from here.
Yay!
It holds together perfectly. Very easy to make. Good honest ingredients.
Look at this guy.
Nothing weird or too fancy.
See?
Just simple and delicious. And all the flavours combined together, it really comes through. You get the fish followed by the garlic. It's like waves of flavour. Let's try it with the dipping sauce.
Ito.
Masarap. Let me know, would you try this recipe at your home? Or maybe you eat it in the Philippines or street foods or wherever you're from. And yeah, so would you try this? Would you try this homemade? Anyway guys, let me know, what street food should I try next? I tried Quick. I've eaten balut, but that was in the Philippines. I've now tried the homemade fish balls. What next? Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, ingat ka.
Bye.